A formula to return the last date of the current month is often a useful thing to have. As a Salesforce admin, there are at least two places we might need this formula, the first being a formula field and the second being inside of Flow. In this video, we're going to cover both. Let's start with the formula field by navigating to the Object Manager for Opportunities and clicking Fields and Relationships. We'll pick a formula field, and for the data type, we'll want to select date as we are going to be returning the last day of the current month. The formula itself is fairly straightforward, and I'll post it in the video description for you to copy. We can best explain what is going on in this formula by going in reverse order. So the logic on the bottom calculates the first day of the next month, and I repeat, that is the next month, and then subtracts one day from that date, which turns out to be exactly what we want because subtracting one day from the first day of the next month will always give us the last day of the current month. For example, if today is January 1st, the first day of the next month is February 1st, and subtracting one day from February 1st is January 31st, which is exactly what we want our formula to calculate. This approach is an ingenious way of handling the different lengths of months, whether they have 31, 30, or 28 days, and it also has no problem handling leap years, which can often mess up date formulas. Moving to the top part of our formula, we see we are checking if the current month is December, and if it is, we simply calculate the end of the month as the 31st of the current year, December 31st. Directly setting the date in this fashion turns out to be easier for the month of December due to the next month being a new year, as opposed to incrementing both the month and year by one and then subtracting a day as we did before. Finally, you can see all our logic is wrapped in an if statement, so that if today's month is December, we do the first piece of logic, otherwise we do the second. Leonardo da Vinci said that simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, and I really like this formula because of its simplicity in handling all possible dates with a single if statement. Moving on, let's apply this formula to flows by building a simple flow to set the close date of an opportunity. We'll navigate to the flow builder, create a record-triggered flow when an opportunity is created, and optimize for fast field updates. We can then drag an assignment element to the canvas. In our assignment element, we'll use the record global variable to select the close date field, and in the value selection, we'll opt to create a new formula resource. We can name this resource f_end of month and paste our formula into the builder. We can check the syntax to verify it's accurate, press done to close the formula builder, close the assignment element, and then we can save our flow. We can name our flow, and then finally we can activate the flow. With this flow activated, we can now create a new opportunity, and when we do and fill in all the required fields, we'll see that the flow runs and sets the close date of an opportunity to be the end date of the current month, which at the time of this filming is July. Check out the links in the description for more useful content, and don't forget to subscribe if you found this video helpful.